Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In my last video, I completed the discussion on identifiers, which was one of the important feature of C programming. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss another topic which is also a very important topic in C programming, which is keywords. Okay, so before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. So now let us start our discussion on this very simple and important topic, which is keywords in C. So as you can see, I have listed down the points, and with the help of these points we'll try to understand this concept. So now the first point is every C word is identified as either a keyword or an identifier. Okay, so every word that you encounter in any C program can be considered as an identifier or a keyword. Okay, so in our last video we have discussed what is an identifier, and if you guys have not seen that video, then I just recommend you guys to watch the video which I have made on identifier. You will get the complete information regarding identifiers. Now let us come back to keywords. So there are few predefined words available or provided by C compiler which can be used for specific purpose, and those set of words are called as keywords. Okay, next, all keywords have fixed meaning and this meaning cannot be changed. Okay, so as I have said that there are a few set of words, predefined words with fixed meaning, and each and every of those keywords has their own meaning and you cannot change the meaning of any of the keyword. Next point is keywords serves as a basic building blocks for program statement. Okay, so we can say that keyword is considered as the basic building blocks of any C program, because without the help of keywords you hardly write any C program. Next is keywords are reserved or predefined words that hold their own importance. Okay, so as have said that keywords are few reserved or predefined words, and these keywords has their own importance in C programming. Next point is it means that every keyword has a functionality of its own. Each and every keyword has its own purpose and importance. So as on you go for writing down the programs, then slowly you will realize what are keywords, how to use the keywords, and in which situation which keyword is appropriate. Next is, since the keywords are basically predefined words that the compiler use, thus we cannot use them as the names of variables. Now let us discuss the next point. Since the keywords are basically predefined words that the compiler use, thus we cannot use them as the names of the variables. Okay, so as I have already told you that keywords are some predefined or reserved words used by the compiler, so we cannot use the keywords as the variable names. Okay, next point is if we use the keywords in the form of variable names, it would mean that we assign a different meaning to it, something that is not allowed. Okay, so if we tries to do that, if we tries to consider keyword as the variables in our programs, then that means that we are trying to assign some different value to the keyword, which is not at all possible in C programming. Okay, so all keywords must be written in lowercase. Okay, so there are few set of keywords, and whenever we will be using those keywords in our program, so each and every of those keywords should be written in lowercase. Okay, so these are some of the points regarding keywords. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood. So as you can see here I have written down those keywords in the form of a table. Okay, so auto is a keyword, enum is a keyword, const is a keyword, goto is a keyword, double, case, float, default, struct. So each and every value in this table is considered as a keyword, and we use each and every of these keywords while writing down the C program, and each and every keyword has its own meaning, has its own importance and purpose. So you cannot use these keywords as one of your variables. You cannot assign any value to these keywords. Okay, so these things you need to remember with respect to keywords. Okay, so I hope the idea of keyword or the concept of keyword is clear to you guys. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood the concept of keywords. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, and thanks for watching.